Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Caroline Passmore. I am the owner of CRP Specialists Inc. and Bookkeeping is Fun LLC. CRP Specialists is my company where we do provide profit strategies specializing in nonprofit organizations and the trades to ensure that their books are ready to be sent to their tax preparers. Of course, we will help anyone who does need help, because with my other company, Bookkeeping is Fun, is where I coach those who are learning bookkeeping and help them to overcome that fear of gaining clients and give them experience by gaining confidence to help them to overcome that fear, not only in themselves, but in their own bookkeeping skills. And I do this by giving them the opportunity to learn in a supervised live environment of actual books rather than just that learning environment. So today I would like to talk about some practical ways to improve your business's financial health. And we're going to cover cash flow management, cost analysis for better profits, and how to keep your finances in order. So cash flow is really the lifeblood of your business. It's about having enough money on hand to cover your expenses and keeping operations smooth and running. So here are a few straightforward strategies to improve your cash flow. So first is very obvious. You must invoice promptly. You want to send out those invoices as soon as you complete a job. The faster you bill, obviously, the faster you will get paid. Then secondly, follow up on overdue payments. You really cannot be shy about chasing up late payments. A polite reminder can often do the trick. So following up on those payments is absolutely imperative. And then you want to negotiate better terms with your suppliers. If you have been consistently using the same suppliers for a long time, you really want to try to negotiate with those suppliers. Try to extend your payment terms with those suppliers. This will give you more time to collect from your customers before you pay your bills. It's really very simple. Then, of course, building a cash reserve. Aim to keep enough cash on hand to cover at least a few months' worth of expenses. This buffer can help you to weather out any slow periods or unexpected costs that might arise. So now we're going to talk about understanding your costs, which is crucial for improving your profit margins. So let's look at some simple ways to analyze and reduce those costs. You want to track all of your expenses. Keeping a detailed record of everything that you spend money on, from materials to fuel for your work vehicles, is so very important. You want to categorize all of your costs. You want to group those expenses into categories like materials, labor, overhead, and equipment. And this will help you to see where your money is going. Simple, right? Basic concepts. Then, of course, identifying your biggest expenses. You want to focus on those largest costs first. Even small reductions in these specific areas can have a big impact on your bottom line. Then we want to shop around for better deals and regularly compare prices from different suppliers. If you are using, if you have someone that you've used for years and years and years, and they're willing to negotiate, then you want to stay there. But if it's a supplier that you're not generally, using for a long time, then shop around, compare prices. It's not going to hurt you to find a better price at a different supplier. Don't be afraid to negotiate or switch suppliers if you find a better deal. It is very important to find those best prices from different suppliers. Then we want to reduce waste. You want to look for ways to use materials more efficiently or repurpose leftover materials from one job to another. I can't stress this enough. You don't want to have waste if you don't need to. Then we want to consider time costs. Your time is absolutely valuable. Make sure that you are charging enough to cover not just the materials that you're using, but also your labor and your expertise. This is something that many of you I know are undervaluing. So make sure that you are valuing your time and its worth. Now, I want to talk about staying on top of your finances because it is key to running a successful trades business. So here's a few tips to help you to stay organized. First, and this is something very near and dear to me, use accounting software. Invest in user-friendly accounting software designed for small businesses because this is going to help you to track your income and expenses, create invoices, and generate financial reports. If that's something that you want to do yourself, I am all there to support that. But if it's not, feel free to reach out. I can help. Then, separate business from personal finances. This is so very important. Open a separate bank account for your business. This makes it not only much easier to track business income and expenses, but this will prevent you from running into any problems from commingling your expenses and your revenue for your business from your personal, and that will prevent you from having any problems that you may run into from the IRS. Yes, those 3 horrifying letters. So you don't want that to happen. Then the other one that you don't want to have any problems with those 3 horrifying letters from the IRS, set aside money for taxes. So very important. If you regularly put aside a portion of your income for taxes, it will prevent any nasty surprises when tax time rolls around. If you are supposed to be paying your taxes quarterly, please remember to do so. This is something that is very important, that if your tax preparer informs you that you must be paying your taxes quarterly, and this is something that they should be informing you of, that you are supposed to be paying your taxes quarterly, please don't forget to pay your taxes quarterly. Then you want to review your finances regularly. Set aside time each week, once a month, whatever it is that you choose to do. Set aside that time on a regular basis to review your financial position. This will help you to catch any issues early, and that will also allow you to make informed decisions about your business. Then you want to, of course, plan for slow periods. Many trades experience seasonal fluctuations. I keep saying this over and over again. Seasonal fluctuations are going to happen. But if you plan ahead for these slower times by saving during busier periods, you will prevent yourself from having any problems during those slower times. So remember, managing your finances effectively does not have to be complicated. It's about developing good habits and sticking with them. So how can we help you with all of this here at CRP Specialists Inc.? Well, let me tell you. At CRP Specialists, we understand the unique financial challenges that are faced by skilled trades professionals. Our team of experienced bookkeepers and advisors can help you to implement these strategies and so much more. We offer tailored solutions to improve your cash flow, boost your profits, and keep your finances in order. If you would like to learn more about how we can support your business, we invite you to schedule a free consultation. So during this session, we can answer any questions that you have and discuss how our services can meet your specific needs. If you're watching us on our YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you were not aware that we had one, please go visit us on YouTube and subscribe now at CRP Specialists Today. So thank you for your time today. Don't let financial management hold your business back. Let's work together to build a stronger, more profitable future for your trades business. Let's schedule some time for a free consultation and gain some clarity today. Let us manage your money while you manage your business. I hope you all have an amazing day.